Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar IANN DIOR. Great stuff is coming from that man right now, and this one is complicated. So this one is about 3 different chords. We need to set our capo here on the 1st fret to match up the sound. So let's start with the F major 7 sus2. Alright, so that is 3rd on D string, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd G, D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be C, but with a G in the bass. So that is 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so let's look at this cool melody first. And it's based upon these 3 different chords. So let's start with the F major 7 first. These notes are like that. So you play 3rd on the D string, 1st on B, and open G. Okay, so that's it. Next chord will be the A minor 7, and the notes are, that is open A, 1st B, and open G. Alright. Then we have the notes that are based on the C G. So the C G chord here, we will have the C G on the last 2 chords. So the first time you play, so that is 3rd on the E in the bass, then 1st B, and open G. So the first C G will be 3rd E string in the bass, 1st B, and open G. The second time you play the C G chord will be 3rd E in the bass, open B, and open G. So the C G part will be okay. So that is the melody. So together everything sounds like this. So there you have your melody. Now we will look at the strumming pattern. So here you need to think as pair of chords. So F major 7 will pair up with A minor 7, and then you pair up the last 2 chords, the C Gs, together. All right. So we will look at the strumming pattern from F major 7 to A minor 7. So the F major 7, that part sounds like this. So it's down, down, up, clap. Okay? Down, down, up, clap. Then you switch quick to the A minor 7 and you play down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. Right? So together F major 7 and A minor 7, a little bit slower, sounds like this. And the same goes for the C G. If you pair them up, it will be the same pattern there. So all right. So a couple rounds of this chord progression will sound like this. right, so that pretty much covers IANN DIOR's song Complicated. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please thumb up this and keep on watching Gordon Guitars. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.